Let's see how to use Translator in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you have a particular line or particular block of text that you want to translate into another language. And right here, as our example, we have this sentence in English: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now, let's say that we want to translate this into another language. And to do that, first, highlight your text. And from here, click on Review. And right here, click on Translate. And Translate Selection to translate your highlighted text. And from here, you will see the From, which contains your selected text, and that will automatically detect the language that your text is in. And in the To section, you can select whatever language you want to translate your text to. So let's go ahead and try that out. Let's say that you want to translate it to Filipino. And as you can see, we have the translation right here. And let's click on Insert to insert that into our document. And as you can see, our English sentence has now been replaced by this Filipino sentence. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.